Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can pause at a specific layer height in Cura Slicer, so you'll be able to print multicolor prints. So what you'll need to do is slice your 3D object. After that you'll need to go to the preview and right here select a layer that you want to change color. So basically I will select layer 20, so from this layer my color will change. And now what we'll need to do is go to the extensions. Right here, click on post-processing and click modify G-code. Click add script and choose pause at height. Right here, you'll need to select a layer. So for me, it was 20. So type it 20 or your layer. And right here, if you go down, you'll see standby temperature. So I'll make it 205. And right here, you can make a custom G-code before pause and after pause. So we will use the before pause and after pause. So let's enter it, this code, M300. So this will be on layer 19. So you'll get something like a warning that you'll need to change a filament shortly. And right here, G-code after pause, what you'll need to enter is M4, sorry, G4S120. So this will dwell your printer head for 120 seconds. So it will be 2 minutes. So for me, it's perfect time, like 2 minutes. You can change this to even more if you need to. And that's pretty much it, guys. After that, you'll need to leave park print. So your head will park it. So leave it on. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now you can slice your item and print it. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.